Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to connect your Remarkable tablet to Google Drive in 2025. This is super easy, but first we're obviously going to make sure you have access to your Google Drive through your Google account. Either search this up or go ahead and click this, which says Google Apps, and then go ahead and hit Drive just like that. So we're going to be using a demo account for this. This is exactly why I don't really have any files in here, but on your end, you should have a bunch of files and you want it to connect to your tablet. This is super simple as Google Docs, PDFs, and everything is stored on your Google Drive if it has any correlation to your Google account. So what you're going to want to do is head over to the My Remarkable website. Honestly, you could just search up Remarkable and it's the first link that you'll get. Just make sure this lines up and it's going to lead you to this page. The first step that I cannot stress enough is make sure you already have your device paired. If not, this is how you do it. This will then give you access to cloud backup, which is super important if you want to keep your files safe. And then secondly, it gives you access to apps, right? The integration that I'm showing you today is going to be an app integration. And so make sure this is already done as it is the prerequisite. Now let's say you've already completed this step. What is the next step? Simply find your way to the menu up here in the top left corner, then find your way over to the integrations page. Now this page gives you a couple options to choose from. Now for this video in specific, we're doing Google Drive. So this is the one we're going to want to use. So go ahead and click Add. Clicking Add will lead you to your Google account sign-in page, which is going to simply look like this. I've gone ahead and blurred my emails as obviously I don't really want them leaked, but this is my main Gmail account. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. This will then ask you if you're trying to sign into Remarkable integrations using this email that's also blurred, and it's going to let you know what of your personal information it's actually going to be using for this integration. Go ahead and click continue. Then obviously for this to actually allow you to edit any of your files, you're going to need to give it some Google Drive permissions to see, edit, create, and delete any of your Google Drive files. Don't worry, this is completely safe. Go ahead and check that and press continue. Once this step is done, it's going to ask you to name your service, and it's basically just naming the integration itself. So you can name this whatever you want and whatever it applies to you. I'm just going to go ahead and set it to my name and then hit save. And then just like that, as you can see, I now have the Google Drive integration right here, which you can edit and tweak or remove at any time. If this was helpful, consider subscribing and leave a like.